Hello, RV people. All right. So today we're having a leak from our restroom sink, under our restroom sink. So basically, as you can see, I disconnected them, the cold and hot. So it's leaking from here. You know, right? I don't know if you can see it, but already it's disconnected over there. But every time you turn on the sink, it's leaking from these guys here. It's leaking from both of them like that. So my suspicion is the washers. So I went ahead to the local RV dealer and picked up these washers. It's hard to find anywhere else except you have to go to your local RV dealer, and we're gonna swap them and see if it's gonna stop the leak. The old ones were pretty beat up, so that's my suspicion. They look like this. So hope for the best. I'll let you know if you're dealing with a restroom faucet leak. Of course, I don't see anything. I don't think it's coming from here because this is super tight. This, super tight. I don't think it's coming from here. It's coming from here. So this is a 2019 coach. So maybe after 2025 route, so 6 years, I guess they reached the life limit, I guess. So I don't have the old ones, but yeah. So maybe hopefully that will fix your issue if you're dealing with leaks from around here, from disconnection of the bottom faucet. All right, stay tuned. All right, so when you put them in, make sure you put the pointy up, the narrow part upward. So as you can see, like this, the pointy upward, the pointy side. So right now this is, I didn't put it in, so you just put like that, boom, the pointy up, facing the where you're gonna screw the faucet threads. All right. All right, my lovely people. Okay, I got good news for you guys. We got tricked. Yes, I repeat, we got tricked. We thought the leak was coming from those connections from the bottom, right? Not really. Actually, we even put the new gasket. No difference. So the problem, the culprit, was the faucet itself. The faucet itself was the one that has given up on us. Yep, see, it's been 6 years, and I guess that it's time for it to retire. Yes, so basically that solved the leak situation. We of course we were on a time pinch, so we didn't have the option to get the cheapest price on Amazon. We have to run down to our local Lowe's and grabbed one for like $50, which is almost double. But because the RV need to go out to camping the same day, so yeah, but we swapped that in. No more leaks. Yes, no more leaks. So basically what this will teach you is, if the leak looks like it's coming from the bottom, but no, it's very tricky. It's very tricky because you think it's coming from those connections, but it's I wasted a lot of time trying to get those gaskets and fighting in the bottom. But yeah, I hope this helps anybody that's is going to encounter this issue. Yeah, you guys enjoy RVing and all the things that comes with it. It was a good challenge. All right, guys, hope this helps. Ciao.